brace yourself for non-stop excitement. This is where incredible action meets the unexpected. Make sure you've liked and subscribed because the energy is only getting started from here. Incredible! A raging flood swept this excavator away in seconds. Fortunately, no one was inside. This is the consequence of not adhering to the safe height regulations.
Meu Deus do céu.
An accident was inevitable as the overloaded timber truck was trying to go downhill. This crane was beyond saving when the flames grew too fierce. Moving an entire house proved too much for the crane to handle. What a pity! Thousands of dollars turned to scrap when this massive wind turbine blade collapsed. This disaster could have been avoided if the operator hadn't recklessly sped with the lift. I'm blown away by their ability to operate at such dizzying heights. Thankfully, no one was hurt when the tank flew off at that crowded curve. Did you see that? The crane's cable snapped like it was barely holding on. I held my breath as the truck rocketed up the slope, launching into the air. Something unexpected flew from the excavator, but luckily no one got injured. Secure heavy machinery carefully for a safe and accident-free transport. Those large cables should have been tied down better to prevent this accident. I wonder if this driver was sober when he drove. The excavator slipped off the transporter in a terrifying moment for bystanders. Understanding the size of your vessel is key to avoiding such dangerous mishaps. The wooden bridge couldn't handle the vehicle's weight, and it collapsed. Luckily, everyone made it out safely. That plane's weight was far too much for the crane to handle properly. It's extremely risky to keep moving this vehicle like that. The worker unloads coal cars with masterful precision, handling it all with skillful coordination. What a close call! Miraculously, the driver survived after the water tank crashed onto the excavator. This Volvo nearly smashed the Hitachi with that massive rock. Always check before acting. The hydraulic crane gave in under the weight of the tank. Thankfully, the operator had left the cab. Her reaction was incredible. She stopped the accident just in time. With an excavator on your side, no terrain can stop you. This machine proves that. The man standing by looks completely shocked by what's unfolding right in front of him. A heavy loaded truck lost balance and toppled over before crossing the treacherous path. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more exciting content. See you next time!